Hey everybody, uh, here's a few things that I've been carrying. Get the Leatherman T T2 T4 T4. Um, the Olight U bulb. Is it U bulb? I think so. Machine era stainless steel. Machine era brass. The Olight O Pen 2 and copper. The Tactile turn action bolt pen and bronze. My Olight brass i5T. And the, what was this called? I apologize. The Refyne P1. It's got a flashlight, bolt action. The pen refill in it. I gotta find something different though. It sucks. It's horrible. It writes like trash. But the product itself is wonderful. And here's an Olight i3T and titanium. I like these because they kind of feel like a chalky type of feel instead of like the brass is very smooth feeling. But I like the brass probably the best. Just takes double A, triple A, and this Olight. These things are awesome. Let's see. Some red flashes. It's a flashless red. That's a low. On low, I think that stands for like 55 hours like that. And they come with a, let's see, this thing. You can get them in different colors, and you can stick it to whatever you want. It's got the, magnet on it. Really cool. And I'll stick to anything. I stick it to my fan at night. If I get up at night, I can just reach on my fan and click it on. Here's the tactile turn. Yeah, sort of stuff I've been using lately. I like the T4. Got scissors and a file and screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Yeah, so that's what I've been using. I like it. There's something I wanted to ask you guys. Oh, if any of you guys collect pens and you have any recommendations, because I've been kind of getting into pens more lately. If anybody has any recommendations, let me know. Like say, something to where I can look them up and available pens, because man, there's so many pens out there and that I like, and they're just hard to just go out and purchase without paying gobs of money for them on eBay. I don't want to do that. If it's something on eBay or I got to pay an arm and a leg for it and I can't just go to their site and buy it, I'll pass. Yeah. Well, later, everybody.